Welcome to STAB Exam Forum. We have come up with a new session on static GK, and in today's video we are going to see classical dance forms in India. Students, this classical dance forms is one of the important topic in static GK, and in all the competitive examination you may get one or two questions from this particular topic. Okay. So looking into the importance of this topic, we have brought this video. Okay, so let's begin this session first. So the outline of today's session will be like this. What are the main classical dance form in India that we are going to see? The next is to which state they are associated. It is very important. You should know at least the classical dance form and their state association. Okay. The third one is a famous personality. In this particular video, we are not going to include the famous personality related to the classical dancer. Okay. And folk dance. In the upcoming videos, we are going to talk about folk dances, important folk dances in India. Okay. So basically, we are going to cover these two things in this particular session. Okay, so let's begin the session. So today we are going to see the classical dance form. Okay, classical dance forms. Okay, so first you need to know that these dance forms are basically Hindus theater performance. Okay, these are basically Hindu theater performance. Okay, Hindu theater performance. The second thing you should know that these dance forms are basically adapted from a book called Natya Shastra. Okay, these are based on book called Natya Shastra. Okay, Natya Shastra. Okay, it is a very old book. So all these dance forms they have elaborated there. Okay. The third thing that since this is an art and there is one ministry of culture. This ministry is responsible for preserving this art. Okay, so they have made one academy called Sangeet Natak Academy. Okay, Sangeet Natak Academy. Okay, it is under Ministry of Culture and they are responsible for preserving these dance form. Okay, and they have identified total 8 dance forms. Okay, they have identified total 8 dance form. Okay, I am talking about only classical. Okay, they have identified 8 classical dance form plus one Ministry of Culture has decided that it is also a classical dance form. Okay, so total you can consider 9 classical dance form are there. There are certain other dance form as well, which I am including extra as 2 because they Ministry of Culture has not put them in classical dance form category, but still some of the authors, some of the dancers think that they are also classical dance forms. Okay, so basically there are 8 dance form, classical dance form, one from the Ministry of Culture. To total we have 9 classical dance form plus 2 you can say these are non category type thing. Okay, so let's see dance form one by one using Indian map. Okay, so the first dance form that we are taking from UP, this is your Uttar Pradesh, and the dance form in Uttar Pradesh is what? Can anybody tell me? It is Kathak. Okay, it is Kathak. So if they ask what is the dance form in UP, it is Kathak. Okay, And to which state Kathak is associated? It is UP. Okay. There are certain easy one, like this is Odisha, so dance form is Odissi, a very simple one, Odissi. There is Manipur, okay, so it is Manipuri. Okay, then we have major dance form in the South India. Okay, so this is your Andhra Pradesh, and in Andhra Pradesh, as you know, one famous dance form is there, Kuchipudi. Okay, Kuchipudi, it is associated with Andhra Pradesh. And in Tamil Nadu, very important is Bharatnatyam. Okay, Bharatnatyam is related to Tamil Nadu. Okay, and in Kerala, we have basically one important dance form. This is Kathak. In Kerala, it is Kathakali. Okay, it is Kathakali. Okay, and one more important dance form in Kerala is, yes, anybody? Yes, it's Mohiniyattam. It's Mohiniyattam. Okay, so how many dance form we have seen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the next important dance form, that eighth one, is from Assam. This is Assam, and it is Satariya. Okay, Satariya dance form. Okay, so it is related with Assam. Okay, so from exam point of view, you should at least know Satariya, this South Indian dance form, and UP is Kathak. Okay, so these are basically 8 dance form that I told you, 8 classical dance form. And I told you one Ministry of Culture has added one more classical dance form. It is Chau. Okay, it is basically in this region. It is called Chau, CHHAU. It is basically martial art dance form. Okay, martial art dance form. Okay, and it, if they ask, it is related with West Bengal, Odisha, and Jharkhand. Okay. The other two that I was talking, that some of the dancer found that these are also classical dance form. It is basically from Karnataka. It is Yakshagana. Okay, Yakshagana. It is from the Karnataka. And the other important from the Tamil Nadu, it is called Bhagwat Mela. Bhagwat Mela. Okay, so total we have basically 11 dance form that at least you should know from exam point of view. Okay, personality, there are many personality related with this dance form, but one of the major important dancer, classical dancer, is from Kathak. His name is Birju Maharaj, that you should know. Birju Maharaj, Birju Maharaj, sorry, Maharaj, Birju Maharaj. Okay, so conclusion, there are 8 classical dance form. These are their state and association I told you. One classical dance form added by Ministry of Culture, it is Chau, and it is basically martial art form. And the other 2 are Yakshagana and Bhagwat Mela. This Bhagwat Mela is from Tamil Nadu and Yakshagana is from Karnataka. Okay. Okay, so we are done with today's session, but before winding up, I would like to ask you, can you tell me the name of these dance form? Okay, I will tell you. The first one is Odissi. Odissi. Okay. The second one is Mohiniyattam. See the beautiful dress and beautiful facial expression and hand gestures. The third one is from the Assam, it's Satriya. And the next one, it is from the Andhra Pradesh, Kuchipudi. Okay, it is Kuchipudi. And this is from UP, Kathak. and this is from, as you know, a very simple one, Kathakali, a very important Kathakali. And the last one, but not the least one, it is Bharatnatyam. It is from Tamil Nadu. Okay, Bharatnatyam. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed really, you can hit the like button, and if you have anything to say, you can write in our comment box. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.